Navigating recurring guests at Planet Fitness.
Hello, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're going to delve into an important topic that many Planet Fitness members wonder about. Is there an additional fee for having a recurring guest at Planet Fitness? Understanding the costs associated with bringing guests to your gym can help you make the most of your membership, so let's get started.
Planet Fitness memberships and guest policies.
To begin, let's discuss the two main types of Planet Fitness memberships: the Classic membership and the Black Card membership. The Classic membership is the basic level, and typically, it does not include guest privileges. This means if you're on a Classic membership, you'd have to pay an additional fee for every guest you bring in. On the other hand, the Black Card membership, which is the premium level, usually includes unlimited guest privileges. This means that as a Black Card member, you can bring one guest per visit at no additional charge.
Are there extra costs for recurring guests?
This brings us to the main question: are there extra costs for recurring guests? The answer largely depends on the type of your membership. If you're a Classic member, each guest visit would incur an additional fee, regardless of whether the guest is recurring or not. However, if you're a Black Card member, you can bring one guest per visit without any additional fees, even if this guest is a recurring one. It's important to note that you can bring in the same guest or different guests each time. In conclusion, whether or not you'll incur an additional fee for having a recurring guest at Planet Fitness depends on the type of your membership. Black Card members have the privilege of bringing one guest per visit for free, while Classic members would have to pay additional fees for each guest visit. We hope this video has been informative and will help you maximize your Planet Fitness membership. Remember to always stay fit and healthy.